Hello everybody, my name is Gattis Kandis, and yesterday I was wondering how fast does my foot travel when I'm walking? Because when you're walking, your normal walking speed will be like 3 miles per hour, that's like 5 kilometers per hour. But then yesterday I hit a rock with my foot and I was wondering, why does it hurt so much? And that made me think, when you're walking, your belly is moving at 3 miles per hour. However, your foot is actually moving faster. And then I kept thinking, I realized that half of the time, one of the feet is on the ground while other one is traveling, which means while this one foot is on the ground, the average speed of the other foot at that time is actually double your walking speed, because one foot 0, the other one double the walking speed, which now makes it 6 miles per hour. But that is still the average speed of the foot moving of the one foot cycle, which includes the foot starting from 0 and then finishing on 0, which means maximum speed must be even higher. And then I was thinking and I was guessing that probably that's double the average speed of one foot cycle. And I was actually right. I did actually went to the park and I made an experiment, and it indeed turns out that the maximum speed of your foot walking is double of the 1 foot cycle, which is actually 4 times your normal walking speed. Let me show you what I'm talking about. As you can see here, while my right foot is stationary, the left foot is moving. And so now when the left foot is stationary, the right foot is moving. And then here, I put down this ruler. It's 10 centimeters between those things. And I was recording with 240 frames per second. So now you can see if I go, this way, so 1, 2, 3, 4. So it takes 4 frames out of 240 frames per second for my foot to move 10 centimeters. And from this, you can easily calculate yourself that indeed equals to about 13 miles per hour, or 21.6 kilometers per hour is the maximum speed of my foot while I am walking. That's incredible. 4 times faster than my belly speed, the speed of my body. And then I was thinking that's only while walking, but what happens when I'm running? So when I'm running, I can easily run 10 miles per hour, and so can millions of other people. And then, if you're talking about Usain Bolt, who reached maximum speed of, 27 1/3 miles per hour, which equals to nearly 44 kilometers per hour, then in his case, the maximum speed of his foot was traveling over 100 miles per hour, which equals to over like 170 kilometers per hour, which is way over the legally allowed speed limit, which means he has broken the speed limit millions of times. If you take into account how much he has been running, every step he took, he was exceeding legally allowed speed limit, unless of course he was doing it on the Autobahn in Germany or wherever else in the world you are allowed to drive as fast as you want. But other than that, he's been exceeding speed limit millions of times. I really hope he will not get into trouble for this, because probably nobody ever thought about it. And now when I have revealed this sensitive information, I really hope he doesn't get in trouble for this, because then he might be upset with me. But anyway, the point is, that's why it hurts so much especially when you're running. Maybe it has happened to you as well. When you're running and then you hit like some rock or some root on the ground and it hurts so much, and you're thinking, why does it hurt so much? I'm only walking or I'm only running. It hurts because your foot is actually traveling 4 times your speed. Anyway, that's what I was thinking about yesterday when, I was simply just walking my normal walk, 3.5 miles per hour, 5.5 kilometers per hour. And I hit my foot on the rock on the ground. I was like, why does it hurt so much when I'm only walking slowly? And now I know why. And thank you very much for watching, and I will speak to you soon.